Hi guys, Kevin Faddy here. I just want to do a quick video to explain what the Results AI X Hub is. And basically, what you should install it is a 100% free plugin. Obviously, inside the plugin, it controls some of our pet products, but also we will be including and already included our free plugins as well. So once you download this, you will get access to two free plugins currently, with more to be added. So there's absolutely no license key required to install it. There's no email required. And once you install it, obviously it depends on what number of plugins you have installed here. So here you can see we've currently got 28, we've currently 31 plugins with add-ons, and you can see 28 of them have been installed. I can open every single plugin up with one click. It explains what the plugin is for and everything like that. But there was more reasons why I designed this particular plugin. I'm just going to notice the sidebar here. You can see that if you have a lot of plugins installed, they're going to take up your entire sidebar, and they're pretty much hard to find. With Results AI X and the Results AI products that we're creating, we are going to be building basically every single thing you need to run your entire business from inside your WordPress blog, from images to video to support desk, service, testimonials, webinars, email marketing across the board. So the Results AI X Hub is completely optional. So basically, I just want to show you one setting in here, which is important. And this is compile the plugin menus under Results AI X. I'm just going to turn this off. And obviously, you can keep or add whichever one you want. It is personal choice as well. So this is with that off. And I find it just very messy and very hard to find what I want. Yes, you do have the side menus, but for me, I just 100% prefer have it like this. And if I want to go into anything I want, I just need to open it up like that. So that is part one. That is why I created it. You can adjust that inside of settings. What I've done here is basically I've built in Results AI Kevin all of our bots and everything like that here. You can mark them as favorites and they'll be stored up at the top. And you can see, for example, if you want an email marketing coach, any of the bots, you just click on that and it's going to take you directly to Results with Kevin with that bot. If you're not a Results with Kevin AI user, basically you can actually hide that as well. Next is every single one of your licenses, if there's an expiry date or if there's a renewal or anything like that, or if it's a one-time payment, everything will show here. Updates, it'll make sure all of your plugins are updated. You can one click to update everything here as well and check for updates. Inside settings, we've got a really cool feature here as well. So basically on all of our every single plugin has got the same color theme design. So if you have a preference for any single style, you can update all of the themes. So this would be my one. This would be my preferred. And I'm going to overwrite all of my settings for all of the plugins to have this theme. It's just a cool feature anyway that I like. A full report of everything that's installed on your site. And if you need to send something to report, you've got a full report here. You can copy it to support, and we will obviously help you in any way. And then you've got support and issues for absolutely everything. And that you need open to admin. So it's just a really cool and useful plugin. You can see here what is it's the home, licenses, updates, settings, diagnostics, and support. So this is Kevin Faddy. I hope you enjoyed this plugin. And again, I just do recommend install it. As you can see here, everything goes back neat the way I want it. Cheers.